Welcome to Supreme DPF Cleaning YouTube channel. Today we are test driving VW Transporter T5 2012, which came in with a DPF EGR issues. Now the problems has been solved. We just finished test run. What would you like to say about your van? How was it and how is it now?
I mean, I'd noticed it was getting less and less powerful over the last couple of years, and then the last few months it's just fell off a cliff and has struggled to get anywhere in any form of power and response out of it. And well, now it's like a completely different van. It's smooth, quiet, responsive, pulls away perfectly. It's better than it was when I got it in 2015 for sure, and probably much better than it was when it came out of the factory in 2012. Yeah.
Can you see if there is any white or black smoke?
No, I've been keeping an eye on the mirrors as we've been driving along, and I haven't seen any smoke come out the back of the van at all.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Excellent. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. We are specialized on DPF cleaning, EGR and turbo issues. This is what we know. You can reach us on 07533 636 194. Please click thumbs up. Thanks for watching.